welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about cuffs and lashes. तो मैंने recently cuffs and lashes पे एक order place किया था and I bought their very famous enchanting eyeshadow palette and also their color pots. And yeah, I purchased this. I have heard बहुत सारे reviews इसके बारे में that it is really good for priming the eyelids before applying any eyeshadow. So we're going to test this thing out. So if you guys don't know about Cuffs and Lashes, it is owned by Nidhi. She is a fellow blogger on YouTube and on Instagram. She is very kind-hearted and I have seen couple of videos of her and also मैंने उनका launch video देखा था Enchanting palette पे. And I have just gone through the video with all swatches and everything, and I decided this is one of her most pigmented eyeshadow. So I'm very curious to try this palette out. This is currently at 40% off Cuffs and Lashes के website पे. Also her discounts always change every single day. It's not particularly 40%. So do check out the link in the description box to know more details about the pricing of the palette. तो मैंने ये 40% off पे खरीदा था for $8.99 and it was free shipping. And I think this reached in like 4 to 5 days even जब lockdown था. So the shipping and everything is definitely a thumbs up from my end. It came with a nice bubble wrap and everything was nicely protected. So ये रहा shipping के बारे में and everything related to that. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video and test out the products. Alright, so let me quickly talk to you guys about the CoverPots packaging. Now this comes in this cute little box. Now I just want to point out एक चीज़ यहाँ पे कि the product that I ordered is actually a cover pot, not a color pot. So they have two kinds of pots उनके पूरे range में. एक होता है color pots जो कि multiple colors में आते हैं and you can use it for body painting, for any quick painting, you know, artistic eyeshadows के लिए and all. And एक होता है cover pots जो कि concealer या eyeshadow base, spot concealer या फिर even foundation के जैसे you can use. Now the product that I ordered वो है cover pots, but the packaging says it is a color pot. So yeah, I think it's just a packaging mistake, but under you have this cute little pot. It has this cute little cap and this is how the entire packaging looks. This is all plastic. It is not made of any glass or anything, so you have all the product right inside here. Now this one retails for 299 rupees. You have 14 grams of product इसके अंदर. I heard that it is really good as a base product and not actually as a concealer, so I'm going to try this on top of my eyelid क्योंकि मैंने बाकी सब face का makeup कर लिया है. So I'm just going to concentrate on my eyes, and if मैं इसको just like a concealer कभी use करूँगी, I'll update you on Instagram like how it wears and all. So we are quickly going to pop this on our eyelids and we'll prime our lids. Oh, when I put my finger in it, it's really creamy. So I think it's just that you have to have a little heat ताकि ये थोड़ा सा warm हो जाए and it starts melting into the skin. Let me quickly apply this अपने finger पे and उसको मैं इस brush से blend करूँगी. That's so high pigmented and very concealing. So मैं इसको just अपने beauty blender से थोड़ा सा blend कर रही हूँ. It's definitely extremely pigmented, guys. It's like ELF का Camo concealer, but I think Camo concealer is more creamier and ये थोड़ा सा thick consistency का है. So I'm going to apply a little bit on this eyelid as well. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो ये काफ़ी thick and बहुत ही pigmented concealer है. इतना easy नहीं है इसको blend करना and I think it covers really well with just a little amount. So अगर आप इसको under eyes पे use कर रहे हो, it will be superly pigmented, guys. But for the eyelids, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, it doesn't crease. It has a nice canvas. I think it is definitely a matte finish. It is not hydrating. So keep that in mind. अगर आपके under eyes थोड़ा सा भी dry है या फिर you have wrinkles and all, just apply a little bit of hydrating under eye cream and उसके बाद I think this will definitely work and blend nicely. just on top of the bare skin, I think it definitely crease karega because it is superly thick and very pigmented. So yeah, that's regarding the makeup base and concealer. So I'm quickly going to unbox the Enchanting eyeshadow palette. So for the packaging, it comes in this cardboard packaging. I think the size of this definitely reminds me of Morphe eyeshadows, but the packaging is definitely different. It's a nice black cardboard with golden title and everything. Now when I saw her video, she says that she made this palette cardboard based क्योंकि she wanted to make this cost efficient and she wanted to keep this price a little lower इसका, because Nidhi ke other palettes are wooden based and this one is cardboard. So if you see the cardboard is flimsy and not up to the mark, it's just because she wanted to keep this a little budget friendly for all her subscribers who have been asking for an affordable eyeshadow palette. And guys, अगर आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे mirror भी नहीं है. Now this is also one of a key point that she mentioned in her video कि again mirrors transit में हमेशा टूट जाते हैं and she did not wanted to have a wastage of cost, and that's the reason she did not put mirror inside the palette. So this is a 39 color eyeshadow palette. इसमें आपको mattes मिलेंगे, metallics मिलेंगे, and also you have a few combination of glitter shades in here. So those are the swatches of couple of shades, guys. So initial thoughts on the palette are the pigmentation is not so good when I swatch it on hand. I can definitely say कि ये थोड़े से chalky है. So I'm going to pop on some under eye powder या कुछ setting powder so that ये ज़्यादा fallout ना हो इससे. I'm pretty sure कि the swatches are not justifying the shade because when I layer them they look definitely more pigmented जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो. I'm definitely keen on trying few of the shades over here जैसे कि this baby pink, this metallic, this magenta pinks over here, and also I'm going to play around with this greens. So we're going to stick to more colorful tones from this palette and not towards the neutral क्योंकि neutrals के लिए we can have another video or a reels or something. I definitely want to see कि जिनके लिए colorful palette चाहिए is this worth or not. So I'm definitely going to play around these colors over here and then we'll pop on few glitter shades on top. So firstly I'm going to take ये muted eyeshadow. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो when I'm picking up the product थोड़ा सा fallout ज़रूर है. So I'm just going to dust off the excess and I'm going to run this right towards my crease. This is just going to be a base color. So we'll intensify the pink shade एक दूसरे shade से because I want to try as many shades as possible, and I'm just going to bring it towards my inner corner. So yeah, that shade looks pretty good. It's not extremely pigmented, just right amount of pigmentation है to give that nice dusty pink color अपने lids पे. And I'm going to take this dark pink, like almost purple shade, but this shade is more purple than this, so it is more like a dark pink, and मैं इसको अपने crease पे लगाऊंगी. Definitely looks a lot more pigmented on the eyelids than it's swatched. And I'm slowly building it up towards my crease. अभी तक if you see I don't have much of a fallout, guys, so I think the swatches were a little bit shady, मतलब उतने ठीक से नहीं थे, but on the lids they definitely look more pigmented. I'm just going to take the blending brush again और मैं इसको just slightly buff out the edges. Will intensify the outer corner a little bit more by the end of the look, but अभी के लिए I'm just going to diffuse the harsh edges. Right now I just want to make this look a little bit more colorful, तो मैं ये green shade ले रही हूँ and मैं इसको just यहाँ पे लगाऊंगी. Oh my god, this looks extremely pigmented on the eyelids, guys. Don't go by the swatches because swatches literally don't do any justice to this. So I'm just packing this on the outer half towards the mid area of my lid. that literally applies so beautifully. I love this on the eyelid. That will blend out the outer corner थोड़ी देर के बाद. Now I think we'll go for the yellow. I heard from her video कि yellow उतना खास pigmented नहीं है, but I just want to give it a try because anyways मैं inner corner पे glitter लगाने वाली हूँ, so why not just give a try to this yellow. Now I have the same brush over here, so it definitely looks a little lime greeny yellow. Maybe it's because of the same brush, but it's definitely pigmented, guys. I think मैंने वीडियो में सुना था कि she had a very hard time mixing up the pigment for yellow because obviously it is definitely the hardest color to come up with, and I don't mind. I really don't mind this yellow shade at all. That looks gorgeous. I really love the blend and how all the shades blend into each other as well. So yeah, I'm quickly going to intensify the outer corner thoda sa zyada. A quick little notice, guys, ज़्यादा fallout नहीं है. I was really skeptical कि fallout ज़्यादा होगा because the eyeshadows are a little bit chalkier on the swatches, but no, it's not like that. It's definitely more punchier in pigmentation on your eyelids. So I really love how the eye makeup turned off till now, and I'm so excited to apply the glitter shade. But actually I want a little yellowish goldenish green kind of a one. I have this beautiful green glitter यहाँ पे, and I have a golden one, so I'm going to mix these two, and I'm going to pick up the green shade first. मैं इसको just अपने green part of the lid पे लगाऊंगी. Then I'm just going to take a pencil brush and spread the glitter evenly. I'm going to take the gold shade now, and इसको मैं inner part पे लगाऊंगी. Wow guys, these are really beautiful glitters. If you're someone जिनको glitters पसंद है, because I really love glitter eyeshadows. I use my Tati Beauty palette, उसमें के glitters हमेशा, it's like my go-to glitter palette, but now I have another edition and it is so affordable as well. You have so many colorful shades in here and top of that glitter, so good. And also this sticks really well. Of course I can see a lot of fallout, but उसको हम clean कर देंगे कुछ देर में. So I'm just going to pack a little bit more, and then वापस से green को मैं intensify कर दूँगी just थोड़ा सा, so that I have enough of green and gold. That looks so good. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side of my eye, and this matches my nails so well. I'm just running the same eyeshadows also at the lower lash line. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे मैंने purple लगाया है and a little bit of a green shade mid area में. Just around here, inner corner पे, I'm going to take this metallic shade. This is like a golden metallic shade, and I'm just going to apply this अपने inner corner पे. I'm just going to intensify. That's so pigmented, guys. Wow, I love this metallic shade as well. It's just extremely pigmented. It just brought entire look together. Well, that is how the eye look looks right now. मैं quickly अपने eyes को line करूँगी. I'm quickly going to pop lashes, apply a little bit of a highlighter, and I will be right back to show you my final look. Right guys, so this is the end of the look. This is how my makeup has turned out and I absolutely love it. I have few points to discuss इस palette के बारे में. पहले तो of course the packaging उतना खास नहीं है, but for the price that we are paying, $12.99 after discount. And also the thought behind the thing that she wanted to keep this palette authentic and more focused towards the eyeshadows and not the packaging and mirror and everything. Sare eyeshadows एक ही palette में and everything compactly packed and everything. It's not the worst quality, but it's definitely just a cardboard and it's pretty thin, so आपके suitcase में भी ये बहुत ही अच्छे से fit हो जाएगा right inside your luggage. So packaging wise, it's not the best, but I wouldn't, you know, consider it really bad. I think it is reasonably good for the price that we are paying. Of course थोड़ा सा यहाँ से you know कार्डबोर्ड है, आप उसको खोलोगे बंद करोगे तो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे shred हो जाएगा at the sides, but apart from that I totally don't mind. Now coming to the pigmentation, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, the eyeshadow literally turned out so good. I was not expecting इतना ज़्यादा pigmentation, and also the blendability of the eyeshadows is really good, guys. And I really think that this is definitely a very pigmented eyeshadows compared to a lot of Morphe palettes as well. I have tried Morphe palettes and वो भी इतने ही pigmented है, but they are a lot more pricier when you get it in India. So I think this is definitely an alternative you can check out. Also the glitters, मैं usually सिर्फ Tati Beauty के glitters use करती हूँ because उसके लिए मुझे कोई base लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, कोई sticky base की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. They just stick on to my eyelids because of their formula, and these are literally just like that. You don't need a glitter glue, you don't need any base या कुछ stickiness on your eyelid, and it literally just sticks onto your eyelid and it will not move. मैंने ये लगाए हुए I think around 2 hours हो चुके हैं and the glitter is not moving at all. There is no fallout as of now, and I really think these are really fine glitters because of the sparkle that it gives. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, they are really sparkly and very beautiful. So I'll highly recommend you to check this palette out. I'm really interested in trying out more glitter shades, जैसे कि ये वाला. It looks like a fairy blue, just like Frozen 2 wala Elsa glitter. So that is that, guys. Now coming to the cover pots, I think ये as a base बहुत ही अच्छा है. It's not the most creamiest, ये बहुत ही thick है, but it has a lot of pigment in it, and that is the reason I'm going to keep using this as an eyeshadow base. I don't know if I'm going to use it as a concealer or not because I have dry skin and मेरे under eyes काफ़ी dry रहते हैं, and I really like some nice hydrating concealers, so I'm not sure I'll use this as like under eye concealer, but मैंने इसको खरीदा था as an eyeshadow base, so I'll probably continue using this as an eyeshadow base. And I think this definitely helped for the eyeshadows to add up more pigment, so I'll be using this more like an eyeshadow base, but just for the purpose of trying, I'll try this on my Insta stories or something pretty soon as a concealer, and we can see if this works that way or not. Right, so before I forget, I just want to hop on and say that I also bought this blush palette from Cuffs and Lashes. मैं इसको आज use करना भूल गई, but this is how the palette looks. This is a new launch from them, so I'm going to try this in my next video and I'll give you a review about this. So this is another palette that I bought from them, so stay tuned for a review for that. Nothing more to say in regards to Cuffs and Lashes. I will give it a high thumbs up, especially the eyeshadow palette. So all the links of this look will be mentioned in the description box. I really hope you like this video. If you do, please do like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys soon in my next one.